Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, creative, unique and multi-dimensional ideas of hand embroidery. That is, you are going to get creative and amazing stylized patterns of blouse embroidery, of sleeves embroidery, and also boatneck style embroidery that could be made onto your blouse, onto your shirt, onto your kameez, onto your kurti, or any type of top that could be exquisitely matched or pair up along with your bottom. So one other aspect of multi-level creativity of this video is that these are two-dimensional. These videos could equally be used for hand embroidery as well as for machine embroidery also. So I would recommend you to do watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing, classy, stylish and elegant ideas. The beauty and creativity is not only limited to this extent only. The creativity extends further and with my term attributing that creativity extend further means that you are going to get different type of stylized patterns of stitching ideas also in this video. So keep watching us, keep liking our videos, stay tuned for the new and more upcoming videos on my channel. Guys, we try our best on daily basis to share amazing, beautiful, creative and eye-catchy content with you. And from you, our only request is to like my videos, comments below my video that which design you like the most and what you want us to share with you in our upcoming videos. And if you haven't subscribed, then you can subscribe and you can also subscribe from number of other devices if you have already subscribed because subscribers are very important. Thank you so much for watching.